Well, it's getaway week, which means we're up the coast and we have some time to play with old Sunshine right here. And over Christmas and New Year, I managed to buy Sunshine a couple of little presents. And the first one is in this box right here, and the second one is right down there. So we'll quickly put them on, give Sunshine her Christmas presents, and then go for a drive. So a couple of times ago, I was playing with Sunshine and this happened. But this should fix it. Ta-da! And this is going to be a two-handed job to put in. And there we go. I can see again when I pull out into traffic. Hello! So I actually got pulled away all of a sudden, but now it's the next day and we're going to get stuck back into it. So for our next present, first thing we're going to do is remove the license plate. And of course that's been pop riveted in place, so we're going to have to drill out those rivets. Plates off, and now it's time to put the new toy on. That was a two-handed job, so I couldn't show you, but this is our new spare tyre rack so that we can get that guy out of the cabin, get our cabin back, put it on the back here. So it just slid into the tow bar mount, and now it's a bit loose, as you can see, so I'm just going to tighten this bolt. Stick it all together, stop it moving around. That just drives a wedge into the back of the mount, which makes this nice and secure, no more rocking. And then we'll thread our wiring through as well. Just like that. Plug it in. There we go. Screw the plate on. There we go. And then pop the spare wheel on. Ta-da! And now we have a full swing away spare tyre rack. Click. So I don't have to carry my spare tyre around in here anymore, because it is an oversized tyre and doesn't fit under there. And there we go. And that means I can now either set the bed up in here or put the second row of seats back in and make it a 5-seater again for the family. Either way, both outcomes better than a spare tyre taking up all the space. And there we go. It actually looks pretty dang stock for something that's just a generic aftermarket. So pretty happy with that. That was a Facebook Marketplace find for about 1/5 of its retail price. And the mirror was just a cheapy eBay buy, about 15 bucks. Next thing we'll do is change out the spare for that back right wheel so they all match again. But for now, that's 2 quick wins and 2 small steps closer to making it a legitimate family adventure rig. So we'll leave it there for now, and we'll catch you again next time we're playing.